Hello everyone. Um, Welcome back to my channel. This is Agnes Kiri once again. And today my topic is in our office. In our office. Sa office namin sa rooftop. In our rooftop, there's a kind of little garden. You could see it from my previous video. Rooftop gardening. So today I harvested all the kamote. If you could see, I have a lot. Bundles of kamote. And still there. A lot of it. So, ang dami niyan, oh. So, what I'm going to do with this one is to separate the leaves. So, there's the leaves here and then ang tawag dito. Hindi naman sa trunks. Yung stem. Ang stem niya. So, what I'm going to do is to separate them. Separate ko yung leaves for nilaga, for sinigang, and others. While yung stem niya, gagawin ko siyang adobo. I will use it for adobo. Saka meron ko rin na recipe ba na use this, yung ito, as achar. Pickled. You can make it into pickled daw pala to siya. So, I will do that. So, instead of throwing all these things, yun lang gagawin ko. So, we will have stacks of kamote cups. Kamote leaves. Secret to keep it safe or stay for a long time is sa plastic. Airtight siya. Tanggalin yung air. Then, bani. Do not wash it yet. Wash it when you are planning to cook already. Kasi it will cause problem. Pwede rin siyang i-blanch muna and put in the freezer. But I will not do that. Separate natin siya. Open ko ngayon kasi wala akong content. I cannot go outside ng this. Okay lang, sa office lang. So, wala kasing kamuti tops dito. Mabili. You cannot buy kamuti tops here in the market. You have to plant it yourself. Para nagkaroon ka ng kamuti tops. So, last year na plant ko to sa rooftop, sa office. And yung naiwang crops, kamote, tumubo ulit. Tapos ngayon, dami na nila. I harvested all of them kasi nga, they're going to replant it. They're going to plant patula daw. So, instead of throwing it away, I harvested it all and keep it, preserve it. So, this will, my 1 week na ano pa. So, I can plant this one again. So, this yung mga pinagtanggalan ko. I will plant this one. Para may kamuti naman. So, I don't have space in my home. So, I will plant it in sako. Sa sako naman tayo magtatanim ng kamuti. Kasi wala tayong space. There's no land. Wala tayong malalaking drum. Kagaya nung sa rooftop. Yung sa office, sa rooftop. So, I'll just plant it in some container or sako sa gilid ng wall para meron lang tayong kamuti ulit na ma-harvest. Sometimes, dami so happy. Last time nakadiliin siya ako ng malunggay. Mga Pilipina kahit saan na nabubuhay. Walang hiya. Sabi ko. Walang hiya. Kahit saan may makita malunggay, nagkikigin na lang. Kasi hinidalag na hindi. Last time din yung quad. Wala kami doon sa resort doon sa Chisupan. Ay, as strawberry din. Nakadilihan siya ng strawberry. Ayun. Meron akong na-harvest na at least 1 or 2 strawberry doon sa tanim ko. Ito lang malawa ako marami ito. Ito na ako. Oh, who's the cook? Yung mga ano ko may routine sa pagluluto eh. They have their own routine. Today's cook ko. Cook. Asa Wednesday ki Thursday oh. What is the day today? Why? Where's the entry? No one is doing the entry, Anna. Anna? Ano rin? No one is doing the entry. No, she's not doing it.
I am doing it.
Why it's black? You are focusing more in something. You cannot finish that one. We're in a hurry. We're running out of time. Hindi ko matagalog yung mga anak ko. Hindi ko sa natural ng Tagalog. Kaya nag-split ako sa English dito. Para kayo dyan. Dami. Pag nilaga tayo ba yan? Nami-mix naman na yung dami kayong sa ang dami na ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami kong separate. At least para hindi masayang, makain lahat ba? Kahit yung magulang, hindi naman sa magulang masyado. The darker the lips daw, the more iron. Ano ba na? Ba't iron yung tawag pa English nila dito? Iron. Iron. The more iron you will get, more vitamins and nutrients. So, sa atin, talbos lang talaga ng kinukuha. Pero sa akin dito, kasi minsan lang naman nakakain ng kamuti. So, kahit na yung medyo matured na, yung kagaya niyan, ang medyo matured na, pero soft pa rin siya naman. Kinukuha ko, nahagis ko, pinakalit ko, niluluto ko. Kasi hindi naman siya hard talaga. Soft pa rin siya pag niluto mo, diba? Ang sarap pag nilaga ng kamuti today. Ang sarap ako ng kamuti. May patis pa naman ako. So, dami. You are not focusing with the entry, ma. Anna, do the entry. Ima is playing, Papa. Papa. Ima is playing. She's not studying. She is playing. She's not studying. She's not doing with the entry. She's not focusing with the no. Dilo na. So when are you going to read? When are you going to study Nepali? It's too late to study. Dilo pa nila sa dali. Itong bata anak ko. Hirap kasi ng Nepali dito. Basa.